Welcome to springlib.
Hello students, here factor A is airlines and factor B is airports. Therefore, A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 5. Now from the table, SSA is 336, SSB is 251 and SST is 684. Now we can calculate sum of squares of error. SSE is equal to SST minus SSA minus SSB. On substituting the values, we will get it as 684 minus 336 minus 251, which is equal to 97. Now, degrees of freedom of A is A minus 1, which is 3 minus 1, 2. Degrees of freedom of B is B minus 1, which is 5 minus 1, 4. Now, degrees of freedom of error is A minus 1 into B minus 1, which is equal to 2 into 4, 8. Degrees of freedom of total is 15 minus 1, which is 14. Now let's calculate MSA. Mean square error for the variability associated with airlines. MSA is equal to SSA divided by corresponding degrees of freedom. On substituting, you will get it as 336 by 2, which is 168. The mean square for the variability associated with the airports is MSB is equal to SSB divided by corresponding degrees of freedom. On substituting, we will get it as 251 by 4, which is 62.75. Mean square for the variability due to error is calculated as MSC is equal to SSC divided by corresponding degrees of freedom. On substituting the values, we will get it as 97 divided by 8, which is 12.125. Now, F statistic for variability associated with airlines is F is equal to MSA divided by MSC, which is 168 divided by 12.125, which is equal to 13.8556. The F statistic for variability associated with the airports. FB is calculated as MSB divided by MSC. On substituting the values, we will get it as 62.75 divided by 12.125, which is equal to 5.1752. Now, let's complete the ANOVA table. This is the completed ANOVA table. Now, we want to find the critical value of F. Given alpha is equal to 0.01. Therefore, critical value of F is calculated from the table as 8.649. The critical value of F for assessing the effect of airlines is 8.649. The critical value of F for assessing the effect of airlines is 8.649. Hope you find the video useful. Thank you.